14, Raul Cecil II.
And jersey number 22, Councilor Avelino. Palakpakan po natin sila mga sir. And next, yan po. Welcome once more. Palakpakan po natin ang ating District 1 for the first district combination of
number 4, passing to number 22. Avelino setting the play. Porteria, knocking the basket, kick out. Avelino attacking 2 points. Jersey number 22, Avelino. Montero. Kick out. Jersey number 22, Avelino. Avelino, 3 points. All 35. Number 22, Avelino. Foul. Basket count. May kasamang foul for jersey number 9, Unyo. Unyo, that is your first personal foul. Completed the third. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds remaining time. Avelino, bang! Avelino, 3 points. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Avelino, 3 points. Hotel apenas Avelino. Avelino de la Cruz, 2 points. 17-13. Intercept. Pass and play. Number 22. Oh, wala pa rin. Okay, Supremo. 2 points. Wala pa rin. Exactly 4 minutes to play. Number 22. Avelino slides in the middle. Inside pass. Number 24. 2 points. Number 11. Gaspar. Lost the handle. Number 22 yung bitangan ng bola. Avelino. Avelino, inside pass. Number 4, Montero. 2 points. Okay, that's the end of the first period. Official score, 28-23. Paisabula, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Avelino, almost again. Avelino, 3 points. Pero, wala. Pass it, number 23, inside pass, 2 points. Number 2, pass it, Avelino. Avelino, 2 points. Pinalik kay Avelino, 2 points. Avelino. 2 points. Avelino. Chance Avelino. Pass it to the jersey number 9. 2 points. Here comes number 22, Avelino. Avelino. Inside pass. No good. Avelino. Bouncing in. Official score. De la Cruz. Kick out to Avelino. Avelino fires. Avelino. 3 points. Avelino fires from the different area. Avelino, 3 points. 5 minutes. Avelino, setting play. 10 seconds to shoot. Avelino, 2 points.